All right, let's take a journey back to ancient Greece. Picture this: Athens, 399 BC, a city buzzing with debates, ideas, and accusations. At the heart of this intellectual turmoil stands Socrates, a philosopher known for his relentless questioning and challenging of the status quo, but not everyone appreciated his methods. Socrates was charged with impiety and corrupting the youth of Athens. His accusers, Miletus, Anytus, and Lycon, they claimed that Socrates was introducing new deities and misleading the young minds of the city. Now imagine being Socrates, standing before a jury of 500 Athenian citizens. How would you defend yourself? Well, Socrates did it in a way only Socrates could. He didn't beg for mercy or try to appease the jury. Instead, he questioned them, challenged their beliefs, and defended his pursuit of truth and virtue. He argued that he was a necessary gadfly, provoking the city to self-examination and improvement. Pretty bold, right? Despite his eloquent defense, the jury found him guilty. The penalty? Death by hemlock poisoning. Socrates accepted his fate with remarkable calmness. He spent his final moments discussing the immortality of the soul with his friends. Imagine the scene: a dimly lit prison cell, filled with philosophical discourse and the scent of impending death. When the time came, Socrates drank the hemlock. His friends wept, but Socrates remained composed, reassuring them with his unwavering belief in the soul's journey beyond this life. As the poison took effect, he lay down and, with his last breath, asked if a rooster had been sacrificed to Asclepius, the god of healing. Even in death, Socrates remained true to his principles, thinking of others and the greater good. Socrates' trial and death weren't just about a man drinking poison. They were about the clash between free thought and societal norms, the courage to stand by one's beliefs, and the philosophical quest for truth. His legacy: a reminder that sometimes challenging the world around you is the most powerful act of all. So next time you find yourself questioning something, remember Socrates. Embrace the discomfort of not knowing and the thrill of discovery. After all, the unexamined life is not worth living. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more philosophical adventures. Until next time, keep questioning. Voiceover ends.